Afternoon, guys. This is Kent from Blessed Farm. Hey, I'm here today this afternoon, and I'm in one of the exciting times of our lives and also a little sad. I'm bringing my oldest daughter back to college. So I'm just going to kind of go through some of the things that we're doing today and showing you what it's like moving on campus on the first day of school and getting everybody moved into the dormitories. I've shown a few of the universities around Texas and the activities going on, and my daughter's in her second year at the university right now. So let me get right into it. You know, it's an exciting day. You know, everything that you've done and planned and raised your children is coming to life. You know, she's moving on to exactly what we've raised her to do. She's moving on, becoming a very wonderful and self-reliant young woman. It's a great university that she's going to. She's getting a great education.
Welcome to Texas A&M University Commerce, one of the fastest growing universities in Texas. I'm Walter.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to show you around campus. One of the first things you will notice when you arrive on campus is the number of new buildings, a testament to the growing number of students like you who have made A&M Commerce their university of choice.
At the heart of the university's growth is the Student Access and Success Center, affectionately called the One-Stop Shop. At one stop, you can have all of your admissions, financial aid, and advising needs met in one place. You will also find success coaches and advisors to help you plan your college career, find tutoring, or apply for scholarships.
From day one, you'll have access to interactive learning environments, like the Science Building. Here, students and faculty team up to perform internationally recognized research.
The Music Building is our newest addition on campus. Considered to be one of the premier performance venues in Northeast Texas, the building's 600-seat concert hall has welcomed several world-renowned musicians. Now, let's head over to the University Farm. Just south of the main campus, this 1,800-acre farm is home to our agriculture, equine, and animal science programs.
Now let's step outside the classroom and check out the Rayburn Student Center. As a social hub of campus, the RSC is home to the main dining hall, food court, bookstore, student organization offices, and the club. Host to a myriad of on-campus activities ranging from multicultural events to concerts and educational conferences.
One of the best places to study on campus is the James G. Gee Library. With computer labs, study lounges, and the Bistro Cafe, we provide an environment that best suits your learning style, whether you prefer to study alone or with classmates.
What I like about Texas A&M University Commerce is that we're large enough to have a $500,000 microscope, and at the same time, we're small enough that you can walk down the walking mall and see somebody and make relationships with your teachers, professors.
At A&M Commerce, the residence halls will serve as your home away from home. At Pride Rock, Prairie Crossing, New Pride, and Whitley Hall, you can enjoy traditional or apartment-style living, perfect for meeting new people and making the most out of your college experience.
Students looking for a break from classes need look no further than the Morris Recreation Center and the Kane Sports Complex. With a 40-foot rock climbing wall, pool, basketball, and volleyball courts, and a variety of outdoor adventure opportunities, you're certain to find an activity that piques your interest.
No campus tour would be complete without visiting the Fieldhouse and Memorial Stadium, home to Lion Athletics. With 12 Division II athletic teams, you'll have plenty of opportunities to cheer the Lions on to victory.
Now you've seen a glimpse of what life is like as an A&M Commerce student. The best way to choose a school, however, is to experience it firsthand. One of the best times to visit is Main Event University Preview Day, held every year on the third Saturday in October and the first Saturday in March.
We're confident that once you step foot on our campus and meet our faculty and staff, you'll know that Texas A&M University Commerce is the best choice for you.
Schedule your visit today.
All right, guys, so there you go. Sorry, I'm a little frazzled. It's been a crazy, wild day. There's thousands and thousands of people here, thousands of students. But it's a great day to see all the emotions going on. Everyone's happy, you're sad. You go from being just upbeat and wonderful to all of a sudden you're bawling and crying, But overall, it's a great thing. And I'm sure it's the same way at every university across the United States. Wherever you are, I'm sure you're feeling and seeing the same things I'm doing here in Texas. I just wanted to bring it to you guys and let you see part of our life. And I'm sure a lot of you parents are going through the exact same thing that I'm going through and I'm feeling. But I ate some dinner with my daughter, and I told her I had to go. So now I'm in for a long truck ride home. So I just wanted to bring it to you today, guys. And my camera's acting real crazy right now. I wanted y'all to see this, and hopefully it was enlightening for some of y'all, and hopefully it worked out for y'all. Again, I appreciate y'all being here and with us. Remember, we've got, if you live anywhere from Tyler, Texas to Dallas, Texas, and anywhere 30 miles north or south, food for all. Go in there and look up our farm. We have online produce, eggs. Check us out if you're in the Dallas area and you'd like to have some of those delivered to your house. But again, guys, like I always say, same and always, live well, and God bless y'all. Talk to y'all soon.